So here we are going to study about carbohydrates. It is very important chapter for basics of biochemistry, and it is frequently asked in Viva, and some questions also comes uh, in our university exams. So what are carbohydrates? So carbohydrates are the polyhydroxyaldehyde. Sorry. Carbohydrates are the polyhydroxyaldehydes or ketones or the compound which yield these compounds on hydrolysis. मतलब कार्बोहाइड्रेट कुछ नहीं, एक पॉलीहाइड्रोक्सी एल्डिहाइड और कीटोन है, और इसी का एक कंपाउंड होता है जो कि हाइड्रोलाइसिस के बाद यही कंपाउंड रिलीज़ करेगा. अगर सिंपल टर्म में मैं आपको बताऊँ तो बेसिकली कार्बोहाइड्रेट है क्या. कार्बोहाइड्रेट कुछ नहीं है, ये पॉलीहाइड्रोक्सी एल्डिहाइड और कीटो का एक ग्रुप है जैसे मैंने बताया. सो फॉर एग्जांपल these three carbon atoms, these three carbon atom compound is polyhydroxy alcohol glycerol, and it has 3 carbon and 1 alcohol group on one side, and there is a hydroxy group on other side. Therefore it is polyhydroxy and alcohol. It is basically a glycerol. When these one of these carbon get exchanged from aldehyde or keto group, they form respectively polyhydroxy aldehyde or polyhydroxy keto group, and aldehyde group always comes at first carbon atom and keto group always comes at second carbon atoms. Now I can explain you. For example, these 3 carbon atom, 1 2 3, it has this form. This is glycerol. When it get exchanged from aldehyde, for example 1 2 3, same यहाँ पे हमारा H2, then it is a polyhydroxy aldehyde. It always come at first carbon atom. For keto group, these carbon will get exchanged. So I hope the definition of carbohydrate is clear to you all. And next thing is its classification. Now carbohydrates are broadly classified into 3 groups. What are the 3 groups? They are monosaccharide, oligosaccharide, polysaccharide. But some authors believe that monosaccharide, there is 4 groups: monosaccharide, disaccharide, oligosaccharide and polysaccharide. Some include disaccharide in oligosaccharide and some exclude it. So it depends upon how your teachers on what their beliefs. So monosaccharides are those which cannot be hydrolyzed into simpler forms, and oligosaccharides are those which can hydrolyzed into 3 to 10 units of monosaccharide. And disaccharide, if we take it as a separate unit, then disaccharide contain 2 monosaccharide units, and on hydrolysis they give 2 monosaccharide units. See, in the same way polysaccharide give more than 10 monosaccharide units. I hope it is clear to you all. Now monosaccharides are further divided into two according to different bases. First, according to their functional group, and second, according to the number of carbon atom present. Based on their functional group, they are aldoses and ketoses. Okay, if their functional group in monosaccharide is an aldehyde, then it is aldoses, and if the functional group is keto group, then it is ketosis. It is quite simple. Now, based on their number of carbon atoms, it was on functional group and it is according to carbon atom. Based on the number of carbon atom, they are trioses, tetroses, pentoses, hexoses, heptoses. And examples, these are very important important from my point of view, and you have to remember it. For example, trioses example of aldose is glycerolide. Triose example of ketose dihydroxyacetone. Tetrose carbon atom sugar is erythrose and erythrulose. There is a trick to remember it. For aldose, it always comes from O's. Erythrose, ribose, glucose. On other hand, keto group, uh, always end with erythrulose, LOSE. There's a slight difference, you can remember it. Now the next thing is oligosaccharides are divided into same type like di, tri, tetra, and example of oligosaccharides are those above we have discussed. And now disaccharide example separately, they are maltose, lactose and sucrose. In the same way, polysaccharides are classified into two types: homopolysaccharide, heteropolysaccharides. Homopolysaccharides are those which have same type of monosaccharides. For example, if it is 20 carbon atom compound and it is homopolysaccharide, then all 20 monosaccharide compound, then these 20 are the same monosaccharide. And heteropolysaccharide are made up of two or more different types of monosaccharides. They are made up of two or more different types of monosaccharide. इसके एग्जाम्पल है glycosaminoglycan, hyaluronic acid, heparin, and these glycosaminoglycan is also known as GAG, and it is itself a short note. Now in Viva, it is a very easy question, and they used to ask what is reducing disaccharides. Basically, what is reducing sugar? You should remember, reducing sugars are nothing but these are those carbohydrates which have free functional aldehyde group or ketone group. Free functional aldehyde or keto group present. These are the reducing sugars. Example of reducing sugar, remember all monosaccharides are reducing sugar, and among disaccharides there are lactose and maltose are reducing sugar. Now they used to ask about the linkage of sucrose, lactose and maltose, and these three are the disaccharides, and